Hello guys and welcome back to Best Car Picks. MG is getting ready to launch a new SUV that may use the dedicated electric vehicle (EV) platform of its popular MG4 hatchback. Imagery and basic specifications on the forthcoming MG S5 electric SUV have surfaced in China ahead of its expected imminent reveal. Two filings of this potential ZSEV replacing vehicle have been published by the Chinese Ministry of Industry and Information Technology (MIIT), as reported by Car News China. It's understood the MG S5 is built on the same scalable platform as the MG4. In contrast, the ZSEV shares its platform with the petrol-powered ZS. All versions of the S5 in this MIIT listing are powered by a single rear-mounted electric motor producing 125 kilowatts of power. Top speed is also claimed to be 170 kilometers per hour. For reference, the entry-level MG4 Excite 51 is powered by a single rear-mounted electric motor producing 125 kilowatts and 250 Newton-meters. Car News China reports all versions of the S5 will use CATL-sourced lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery packs. The electric SUV reportedly measures in at 4,476 mm long, 1,849 mm wide, and 1,621 mm tall, with a 2,730 mm wheelbase. This makes it slightly larger than the existing ZSEV. There are three different curb weight figures listed: 1,615 kilograms, 1,685 kilograms, and 1,740 kilograms, which likely correspond with different variants. In terms of exterior styling, the MG S5 has a Cyberster-esque front fascia with a thin headlight setup and low-set air intakes. The listings show there are three different alloy wheel choices and two side mirror finishes. A panoramic sunroof is available. At the rear, the S5's styling is rather conservative. There's a full-width LED light bar, a design element that has become very common in the 2020s. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe for more such interesting content. Thank you for watching my video.